Hey folks, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing another natural, not so natural hair look with Outre X-Pression hair. Now, I don't know what state you in, but right now it's back to school and I work in a school and I need to do something with my hair where I won't sweat too much, like it won't be in the way and I don't have to put a head tie on and it gets hot in the kitchen. So I'm deciding to do twisties. Weeks ago I had twisties in my hair. If I have pictures I'll show you, and I'm gonna go and do that again. So I wanted to actually do that here on YouTube to see how it's done. Now, if you have a natural 4C hair like I do, it's always better to get human hair, but we balling on a budget. It is what it is right now. So that's why I'm using this hair, and I literally won't have it in too long. So if you happen to be new here, please make sure to watch this video all the way through. If you like what you see, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you think of this hairstyle, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, on this channel, we do everything here synthetically fun, because who's that girl? Okay. You've been here and you've been a trooper and you already know what we're about to do. Let's go ahead and get into this video. I'm going to take this down. Ooh, child. Itchy. I'm going to take this down and start the braiding process. All right, come on. Let's go, folks. Okay, so let's get into this video. So this old hairstyle I did in my last video, I will link her either down in the description box or up top somewhere here, so you can go ahead and watch that one. But I'm literally just taking her out, and it was so easy. All I had to do was literally pull her out from my hair because she was crocheted. And once I took the ponytail and the back out, she was good to go. She just slid right out. Make sure to wash and blow dry, condition your hair when you're getting ready to do your next hairstyle, because that is important. It will be itchy if you don't. So right here, I am literally just separating the hair into big squares. I don't need this to be super duper perfect because this is just literally something to do for me to go to work, and I'm gonna pretty much have it up in the ponytail majority of the time. Now that my hair is clean, I'm just taking pieces of hair to braid into my hair first and then do my twisties. Now I did medium size braids because, again, I don't want them to be too big and I don't want them to be too small because I still have to do wig reviews. I want to apologize because I thought I had a better view on what I was doing, but unfortunately I didn't. I did and I didn't. So right here you can get a better view on what I'm literally doing. I start off braiding the hair first. I braid maybe about, I don't know, I want to say maybe like 6 braids. I go down maybe like 6 times. And then what I do is I will go about separating my hair, as you can see, with the actual hair that I'm adding on. And then I go about twisting the hair in a certain way. Can you see that? And I twist all the way down to the bottom, and I pick up some product every once in a while. Like if I'm closer to where my hair is and it's looking kind of fuzzy, I might take a little bit of gel to smooth that out so it won't look so weird. But yeah, that's pretty much the process. It's just braiding the hair and then going about twisties, and I do this all the way up. As you can see, these are all like box braids, big chunky box braids, but again, I'm doing this on purpose because I don't want too much hair on my back and because I have to work. So less is better for me. Now, in between each section of my hair, I make sure to grease my scalp because that's actually very important, guys. Grease your scalp while you're doing this because you don't want your hair to just get all dried out, especially since the braid itself or the hair itself is a little bit on the dry side. So grease up your scalp, use some leave-in conditioner to put into your hair. As you can see, I finally made it to the top. I sectioned my hair into 4 different sections, and the bottom started off with 2 braids, and then I went from 2 braids to 3 braids to 3 braids to 4 braids all the way in the top. Again, I'm not trying to get this perfect. I just need this to be presentable. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and let this video play out until the end and give you my thoughts on this braiding hair from Outre. Alright ladies, just a little word of advice. Don't be afraid to try to do your own hair. To be honest, it's starting to get expensive. People charging for stuff. You can't even get your hair washed anymore. And then styled, you gotta come with your hair pre-washed now. So unless you're willing to travel all the way to Africa to get it for cheap, try to do it yourself, okay? Just a little bit word of advice from Vageline. Now that I made it all the way to the end, let's get into who's that girl, I guess. Now this Outre synthetic crocheting hair is absolutely amazing. It blends very well with my hair. As you can see, I was able to put her in a bunch of different styles. She is actually, her texture is actually a little bit on the rough side, but so is my hair, so it's okay. It blends well, it takes product well, and she's very affordable. You can dress her up, you can dress her down. She's just, I really like this hair. I keep saying she like if she's a wig, but I really do like this hair, and I actually did the same hairstyle on my daughter, and she got a bunch of compliments as well. So this is probably going to be my go-to hairstyle for the rest of the year, to be honest. I'm not even gonna lie to you, because with the way the heat is set up out here in Florida, baby, honestly, I'm good to go. Now, would I buy this again? I wouldn't hesitate. Like I said, this is going to be my go-to look for the year, probably. Where would I wear her to? Everywhere. I'll wear her to work, most likely, because that's mostly where I'm going. And this hairstyle right here, which is super duper cute. I love this. Church, to a function, parties, whatever. She's cute with some hoopy earrings. Like, you can't go wrong with this hairstyle. It's adorable. I actually really do like it, and I'm just glad this is my go-to for, like I said, the rest of the year. See ya around Christmas. Okay, so now that I'm done finishing up this look, this is not perfect, but this will do for what I need for the next 2 or 3 weeks. I tried to really show you like a better view of my braiding technique, but that was a fail. So I'm sorry about that, but I'll try again another time with maybe something else, and definitely try to record that and maybe have somebody help me or try to figure out how can I actually record better so you can see how to do this technique. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked what you see in this video and you want to see more natural hair do's or don't, let me know in the comments below. But also, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so every time I upload a video, you will go ahead and get notified. All right, folks. See you later. Bye.